Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to increase virtual RAM on Windows 11. Virtual memory is 1.89 GB. First find your system memory size. My PC system RAM is 8 GB. Type sysdm.cpl in Windows search bar, click sysdm.cpl. Click Advanced tab, click Settings under Performance, click Advanced. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, check Custom Size. Open Calculator. Installed RAM multiply with 1024 multiply 1.5. Installed RAM multiply with 1024 multiply 3. Virtual memory increased 17.0 GB. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.